Frank Rubio became the third longest-serving astronaut in space, Washington. This week, NASA astronaut Frank Rubio has set the third record for the longest continuous space flight, in which he spent 371 consecutive days in space. According to global media reports, Rubio made this record by accident. Rubio had planned to spend just 6 months on the International Space Station, ISS, but was stranded with his 2 Russian crew members when their spacecraft collided with a piece of space debris that ruptured the coolant tank. While aboard the space station, Frank circled the Earth 5,936 times, the equivalent of 328 trips to the moon. But have they set any first unique records? Surprisingly, no. When it comes to previous space missions, there are many brave astronauts who have spent even more time in orbit. Rubio's accidental U.S. record is actually the third longest man in space, with the first 2 astronauts holding the record being from Russia. The record for the longest continuous space flight is still held by Valery Polyakov, who was aboard the space station between January 8, 1994 and March 22, 1995, traveling nearly 187 million miles and orbiting the Earth 7,075 times.